Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can merge columns in Excel. So for that, all I have to do, simply type the equal sign, then type concat. So simply double click on it, and right here we need to select the cell from the first column, then simply type comma, then we need to type double quotation mark and just hit the space bar if you want to add space between the first column and the second column. Then again we need to type double quotation mark, enter comma again, and simply select the cell from the second column. Now complete the bracket and simply hit enter, and you will see that we have successfully merged the columns. Similarly, in order to apply this to all cells, we just need to go to this corner and simply drag it till the last cell, and you will see that we have successfully merged the columns. It is that easy. And also there is this second way which many people use, like this is the quickest way you have. All you have to do, simply first of all we need to type the name, then you can add space if you like, but I'm just gonna type it like this. Then we just need to go to the next cell and simply press Ctrl plus E, and you will see that we have successfully merged the columns very quickly. So this is also the way which you can use. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you'll able to merge columns in Excel. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.